By 40, you don't need to be rich, but you do need to stop being broke. Let's be real. Money doesn't come with a manual, and most of us are just winging it. But here's the good news. You don't need a fancy finance degree to get your money right. You just need a plan. So, whether you're 25 or 39 and panicking, where did my 30s go? Here are 10 money moves you must make before the big 40. Number 1, know your rich number. Before you chase money, ask, how much do I actually need? If you need $50,000 per year to live comfortably, you'll need the $1.25 million saved using the 4% rule, where you withdraw 4% yearly without touching the principal. Or focus on cash flow, own assets, rental properties, dividend stocks that pay you $50,000 per year passively. Example, if a rental property nets you $500 per month, you'd need 8 to 10 properties to hit your goal. 2, track every penny. Yes, even the coffee. You can't fix what you don't measure. Step 1, open last month's bank statement. Step 2, categorize spending, housing, food. Why did I buy this? Step 3, spot the leaks. $200 per month on Uber Eats? Oops. Pro tip, use apps like Mint or a simple spreadsheet. No excuses. 3, build a don't panic fund. Life loves surprises, like your car breaking down or your job ghosting you. Save 3 to 12 months worth of expenses. Keep it in a high-yield savings account, not your checking account. Temptation is real. Fun fact, this fund isn't for YOLO trips to Vegas. It's for, oh crap, my water heater exploded. 4, pay future. You first. Most people save after spending. Flip it. 75-15-10 rule. 75% spending, 15% investing, 10% saving. Example, on a $5,000 per month paycheck, $750 goes to investments, stocks, real estate, $500 to savings. 5, murder your debt like a financial hitman. Debt equals wealth's worst frenemy. Snowball method. Pay smallest debts first, quick wins. Avalanche method. Attack high-interest debt first, save money long-term. Pick one and go. 6, stop financing your lifestyle. Newsflash, 0% APR isn't free money. Rule, if you can't buy 5 of it, you can't afford one. $1,000 iPhone, you need $5,000 more in the bank first. Exception, a mortgage, because you need a house. 7, own something that pays you. Wealth, owning assets that spit out cash. Dividend stocks, like getting paid for owning a tiny piece of a company. Rental properties, tenant pays your mortgage plus extra. Side hustles, turn hobbies into income. Start small, even $100 per month. In dividends is progress. 8, protect your people. If you're the breadwinner, what happens if you're gone? Get a term life insurance. Cheap and simple. Ensure your family won't struggle. Note, this isn't for you, it's for them. Number 9, invest in financial IQ. You wouldn't drive a car without lessons. Don't wing money. Read The Simple Path to Wealth. Watch Finance YouTube, like this video. Take a course if you're serious about investing. Funny truth, the more you learn, the less you'll fall for scams. Looking at you, crypto gurus. Leave a legacy, not just debt. Think beyond yourself. Estate plan. Will, trust, who gets your stuff. Give back. Donate, mentor, help others win. Because rich isn't just about money, it's about impact. Hit that comment section below and tell me, which move are you tackling first, and see you next time.